Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really taking a big step into the future of automation. We're looking closely at AI agents. These are fast becoming, well, the key link between the AI help you might use now and truly automated business processes down the line.
Absolutely. And our mission for you today, it's really to decode this whole AI agent landscape. We want to help you figure out when and how you can deploy these powerful systems and sort of map out your journey from maybe a casual AI user to, let's say, an agent architect.
An agent architect, I like that. But, for a lot of people, AI agent might still sound a bit fuzzy. What exactly is it? And how does it really change how we interact with AI fundamentally?
It's a huge shift, actually. We're moving away from reactive AI, the kind that just waits for you to type something into
Oh, yeah.
proactive AI. This kind actually initiates action based on a goal you give it, and importantly, changing conditions. It doesn't just respond, it acts.
Acts on its own. Okay.
Exactly. And where they really shine is on tasks needing, sustained focus, thinking through multiple steps, and adapting as they go. Think of it like 5 core abilities, superpowers, if you like. Planning first, that's breaking big goals into small steps.
Right. Makes sense.
Then autonomy acting without someone constantly checking in.
Yeah.
Tool invocation is like reaching out to use other systems, browsers, files, whatever it needs.
Okay. Using tools.
Then reflection, looking back at what it did, asking, did that work?
Mm-hmm.
And finally, memory, holding on to context, remembering past interactions, put those together. And agents don't just do tasks. They orchestrate whole processes, adapting, optimizing.
That sounds incredibly powerful, almost like handing over the reins for a part of your operation. So, okay, we get what they are. What do they actually look like? How are they sort of categorized? What kinds are out there?
Yeah, good question. They're definitely not all the same. The way we're seeing them classified now, for 2025, it's a bit like apps on your phone specialized. You've got interface agents that are built to talk, listen, generate responses. Think advanced chatbots that actually remember your whole conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Then, tool-enhanced agents. These can use built-in tools like web browsers for research, file readers, code interpreters to analyze stuff for you.
Okay, more active then.
Exactly. But maybe the game changer for many businesses could be these GI control agents.
UI control. Tell me about those. They sound different.
They really are. GUI means graphical user interface, the screen, clicks, menus you use. These agents can operate desktop apps by clicking and typing just like a person does. This is huge for older systems, the ones without modern APIs, that's application programming interfaces, how software usually talks.
Ah, so they can work with anything you see on the screen.
Pretty much. If you can click it or type in it, they potentially can too. Imagine automating tasks on legacy software or directly on a website's interface. For anyone who's spent hours copying data between old and new systems, well, this could be the end of that.
Wow. Okay. So the strategy isn't finding the best agent, but the right type for your specific problem.
Precisely. Which type actually solves your challenge most effectively?
So knowing all this, the big question for you listening is, when does it really make sense to invest time and resources into AI agents? What's the trigger point?
Right, the practical side. This is where you see the business value kick in. Think about automating repetitive, time-sucking tasks, customer service basics, data entry, that kind of thing.
Stuff people often don't enjoy doing anyway.
Exactly. And processing massive data sets for insights. Agents can do that way faster than humans. They can support complex decisions by sorting through options, offer 24/7 availability, and they boost efficiency, reduce errors. But the key insight, really, it comes from the source material. AI agents don't need step-by-step instructions. Give them the goal, and they figure out the rest.
That single sentence. Wow, it shifts everything, doesn't it? From being a micromanager telling the AI how to being a leader setting the what. It feels like magic, but I know it's complex engineering. For those curious about the nuts and bolts, what's under the hood? How are they built?
Well, the large language model, the LLM, is sort of the brain, right? But it doesn't work alone.
Yeah.
Sophisticated agents have specialized parts around it. Think of systems to manage workflows, step-by-step sequences, or even multiple agents working together. Really robust memory systems are vital chat history, user details, context.
So they actually remember things properly.
Yes, crucial for complex tasks. And then observability tools, ways to see what the agent is doing, is it working correctly, track performance. It's about making the LLM's intelligence actually work reliably in the real world. But the good news, there are great tools and frameworks now, things like LangChain, AutoGen, Crew AI, that help build these. You don't necessarily need to be a deep expert. It's a bit like driving a car, You don't need to be a mechanic to drive it effectively.
That's a great analogy. So you can be a power user without knowing every single technical detail. This has been a fascinating depth dive. We've gone from the fundamentals of what AI agents are to the different types, how they're built, and importantly, when to actually deploy them.
Indeed. And the main thing to remember is this technology, it's mature. The tools are there, the frameworks, the best practices are emerging. And the future here, it really isn't about replacing people. It's about augmenting what people can do, freeing us up for more strategic work, creativity, building relationships.
A powerful thought to end on. So for everyone listening, consider this. What's one repetitive task or maybe one complex challenge in your daily work or in your organization? What could happen if you simply gave an AI agent the ultimate goal to achieve it? Something to think